Look at this. Look where I live. So beautiful. We're heading out today on the Green Monster Ice Fall Walk. It's an 11.6 kilometer round trip, 548 meter elevation, but that's wildly misleading. Except for one quick and truly dangerous section of chains and ropes you'll see in a minute, it's barely more than a flat walk. But it's so pretty. Look at this. No, gotta have the shadow shots. Back up, back it up. My little rabbit ears. Who's a dork? I'm a dork. Super dorks. Going that way. Those muscles. This is what happens when you spend so much time alone. Floofy snow. I love when it looks like this. After I stop for a second, my cleats get stuck in the snow. Let's hold the phone this way. Hi. How dorky do we look right now? Ooh. Oh, you're catching my hair, but I don't want to carry them. This, I should show you what All Trails makes this look like. A lot of up and down and steep. But it's steep bits like this. Yeah, flat. What are we doing? This is not steep, straight up like the map, the elevation map makes it look like. I don't need those poles getting in my way. I can just tickle my head. Yeah, tickle my head. Woo. Scratch my head. Oh yeah, oh, nice. Oh, very nice. I love this stuff, seriously. Spring hiking, the best. This is March, middle of March. I really hope the grumbling depth of this comes out because it stopped me in my tracks. Whew, I love the feeling of that. It's so different. Yeah. This right here is at the beginning of a super steep bit on the map, on the elevation map. That's it, right? That's it, right? Like, can you see what kind of little tiny step up? Like it's, are you kidding me? Look, there. This is up. That's it. That's going up a huge, super steep showing thing on All Trails. You man. We are actually going up. There is a drop off. See how much I love doing this? I think you all know. Come on. Oh, there's the chains. I already pulled my gloves out. I knew I might want them. Hold on. Alright, this looks okay. Alright, gloves on. It looks okay with spikes. Spikes are nice. Whew. Anyway, I woke up a tiny little hill. And I'm like, out of breath. It's because I've been walking flat the whole time. So now my body's like, what?
Jacqueline.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
We're just going to watch them go down this so you can all see. They know what they're doing, so.
We fake it well.
Yeah.
Yeah, good thing to have spikes on this. This is steep. There you go. Exactly. Well done. Oh, it can get scary. There's a good reason there's chains. Yep. That is a definitely deadly fall. I don't know if I can even show you how serious this is. But then there's no chain there. Oh, this is, yeah, it's steep and it's a little scary. Oh, okay, so spikes, absolutely important. And, like, absolutely, I would not even a little bit want to do that because there are sections that are steep and getting quite packed down that have no chain. I don't know if you can actually see. That is a drop. It'll be okay, probably, but and then there's rock. Oh, here we go. Hello.
Hi.
Pure ice. All right, you're gonna definitely want cleats for this part too. Ooh.
Hoy ya tiene temperatura que no toca. ¿Frío? No, bueno,
That's great.
muy buena. Muy buen sonido ese. Ese es.
Look at these pretty rocks. Oh, they're so pretty. I had such a nice long conversation with the ice climbers. Why don't I ever video any of that? Such nice people. Amazing climbers too. I'm just going to show how I make sure I don't go sliding on my butt. Especially because right now it's getting really soft. So stuff's coming down off the tops. Right? This is the chain section again. I push. Kind of like they do with crampons. I'm like, make sure it's in there and it's holding. And then here we got the chains. I can just hold onto the chain and run down. But look how much like the drippy is happening now from earlier. Then I just hold on and let my hand run down. Get my footing. and I'm holding so that it's got a good hold on the backside. I can't go anywhere if I keep my hand on it. And then I just let my hand run down when I can walk. All I have to do to stop myself, grip, got all my weight forward. See? I am pulling forward. I don't know if you can see. Oop. All right. Nice little section. This reminds me right here of Angel's Landing. I think this is going to get pretty sloppy, and the slickness of melting is going to make it dangerous this weekend when it's much warmer, and definitely over the next little while as it's super warm. Wouldn't it be funny if I was fooling around being a super dork that I always am and just broke my ankle now? Oh, that'd be terrible. I'd like to know how I walk slower out, and I'm supposedly doing about 3.6 kilometers an hour, but coming up, maybe because I was hoofing it, I was faster. I was 4.2, I think. 4.3. Because I'm tired. I'm ready to lie down, have a nap like this. Fantastic. That was a lovely hike. It was way easier than I thought it would be, and the chains were actually quite a bit harder than I thought it would be. So all around wonderful, and I met some wonderful ice climbers up there from Spain and Chile. So great day. Beautiful. My backyard's pretty special. Feel a little tired. Haven't been hiking much this year. It was a super nice hike. Easy hike. And very beautiful in lots of spots. The canyon is really pretty. Definitely need serious ice spikes like Katulas, the little tiny ones. Those chains were way harder than I thought they were going to be. And I've done some chains and some dodgy stuff before. This is not a beginner hike because of that one little section. Be really careful on that. It was super sketch. I saw a guy actually, just because it's getting soft off the trail, the side of the trail just gave out and he fell off the trail. Luckily it wasn't a big fall, but the two of us, I came up and his girlfriend or partner or whatever, we both hauled him out. He couldn't even take the step up because it was a big step. So luckily he wasn't hurt, but definitely got to be a little more aware right now. Everything's getting a little soft, and especially with the warmth coming. So that's not what I was meaning to do. Right. If you like this, I'd really love if you'd hit that like button and leave a comment. Tell me any questions you have, or some nice hikes that you've done that you think I should maybe go check out, or if you have any questions. I think I said that. I very much have the ADHD, so please hit the bell so that you can get notified when I do make a video. I'm trying to do it more, but ND life. And hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, I'd like to make this a thing. So, what a beautiful day. I live in such a beautiful, beautiful place. All right, let's go do this thing.